Introducing the Bugatti Motorhome 2026, the most luxurious, most advanced, and most expensive home on wheels ever created. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a moving masterpiece, a hypercar-inspired mansion that redefines what luxury travel truly means. Buckle up, because what you're about to experience will blow your mind and change how you think about travel forever. At first glance, the Bugatti Motorhome 2026 looks like something straight out of the future. Its fluid aerodynamic design, inspired by the legendary Bugatti Chiron, ensures it glides through the air with elegance and efficiency. The front features Bugatti's iconic horseshoe grille, glowing LED matrix headlights, and a sleek carbon fiber body that screams power and precision. The two-tone metallic blue and matte silver paint scheme carries that signature Bugatti DNA: bold, elegant, and futuristic. The massive 22-inch alloy wheels are forged from aerospace-grade aluminum, blending strength and style seamlessly. But this motorhome isn't just about looks. Under the hood lies a hybrid W16 engine producing an incredible 1,800 horsepower, making it the fastest and most powerful motorhome ever conceived. It doesn't just move, it dominates the open road with Bugatti's unmatched performance and grace. Step inside, and you enter a realm of pure luxury and innovation. The moment the automatic gull-wing door opens, soft ambient lighting welcomes you into a handcrafted interior wrapped in Italian leather, carbon fiber, and polished aluminum. The living area features a panoramic smart glass roof that can adjust transparency with a single tap, bathing the cabin in natural light while maintaining perfect privacy. The zero-gravity recliner seats are temperature-controlled, fully massaging, and crafted from the same fine leather found in Bugatti's supercars. In the center of the cabin, a 65-inch curved OLED display doubles as an entertainment hub and control center, powered by Bugatti's intelligent AI system, Etery. With simple voice commands, you can control lighting, climate, navigation, and even security systems. The kitchen is compact yet breathtaking, inspired by luxury yacht design, featuring titanium appliances, an induction cooktop, and a built-in smart espresso system. Moving toward the rear, the bedroom suite feels like a 5-star hotel on wheels. A queen-size floating bed with ambient LED edges, soundproof walls, and a retractable smart window gives you a private view of the night sky. Even the bathroom is a statement of luxury, complete with a rainfall shower, marble walls, and gold-accented fixtures. Every inch of this motorhome is crafted to perfection, combining the craftsmanship of a mansion with the soul of a hypercar. Beyond luxury, the Bugatti Motorhome 2026 is a technological marvel. It features full autonomous driving capabilities, allowing it to navigate highways effortlessly while passengers relax. Solar panels across the roof generate clean power, while a hyper-efficient battery pack ensures eco-friendly performance. Integrated into Bugatti's smart ecosystem, owners can sync routes, monitor vehicle performance, and control every function remotely from their smartphone. It's a fusion of power, intelligence, and elegance, a glimpse into the future of luxury mobility. The Bugatti Motorhome 2026 isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement of limitless ambition and design excellence. It represents a new era where innovation meets indulgence and travel transforms into an experience of art and comfort. For those who refuse to compromise between performance and luxury, for those who dream of taking Bugatti's legacy beyond the racetrack and into the real world, this masterpiece was built for you. So tell me, if you had the keys to this rolling legend, where would you go first? Because this isn't just a journey, it's Bugatti's vision of the future of luxury on wheels. If you love luxury, innovation, and automotive art, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Auto Voyage, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss the next masterpiece of motion.